What's going on, traders? Wanted to do a quick video. You guys know I've been in Zoom for a while. This video is probably going to be called how to spot a short squeeze coming, you guys. And I might be wrong, but this is what all the signs are pointing to right now, you guys. Earlier we had a dip. This thing opened up this morning. It gapped up in pre-market, you guys. Let me erase this. It gapped up in pre-market, you guys, from yesterday, from close at 460.65, gapped up today to the 478. If we go back, that's resistance, you guys, from previous high from 9/1. So from September 1st. Today it made new highs in pre-market. When it opened up, it just took this V-shaped, held support at 460. And right now, what I wanted to talk about, why I believe a short squeeze is coming right now, is because as soon as it opened up, you guys, a lot of short sellers recognize that this is long-term resistance. So as long as it stays above, under 480, I mean, that it's possibly a good short sell or possibly a good sell. And a lot of people took their profits because they probably did recognize those resistance. You can see over here it double topped, kind of came back, tested VWAP, retraced back, caught bears off guard, you guys. That's what I kind of thought was going to happen. Might be a bear trap right here. Right now, why do I say short squeeze coming? Because we have shorts from back here. We have shorts from pre-market. We have shorts from here. We have shorts from here. So if it gets above 480, you guys, remember my video about pain levels, you guys are going to see a lot of short covering. And above 480, we really kind of got room till 500, you guys. So let's see if this happens live. You guys kind of see, I can tell you guys, like, you guys want to see like patterns within patterns. So you guys kind of see that little stock is kind of still being squeezed. The yellow line is long-term resistance, you guys, previous high. This yellow line, I'm sorry about all the lines, you guys, but I did so many types of analysis on this, you guys. I day traded it in a couple accounts, and I've been holding it in one of my accounts since it broke the $200 area. So right here would be a triple top, you guys. This is like a tough resistance to get over with, but we want to watch the volume right now. We want to see if any buyers come in and push them above this 480. Really, this is the longer term, and this is kind of peaked out earlier. Like it won a couple, 3 times, actually couldn't do it. Over here couldn't do it. So let's zoom it in, you guys. Let's see if it does it right now. Let's see if they push it above here. We really gotta get above this now, really. So we gotta get above this and 480. So what we really wanted to do, you guys, is the same pattern, really. Hopefully, like, so you don't get faked out, like go up, come back, hopefully test, and maybe bounce off of this, like an ABCD pattern, and at the same time, like, hold our trend line. So let's see what happens. This is where we want to see times and sales. I don't see that many buyers coming in yet. Right now, it's still like the day traders are in control. For now, until we get above here, we'll see what happens. If we get above there. We need a bid higher than 480, you guys, to start moving. Me and my friend were talking about this on Facebook today, and he told me his plan was, which wasn't bad. I told him my plan. So really, it has to really get above 480 for any other buyers that are pretty interested in this. It'll be like newer highs and keeps making newer highs. It has to keep making newer highs. You know, this thing went from green to red, back to green, back to, like, it's still very volatile today, you guys. But I'm trading it like the longer term trend, you guys. It's still in my trend. I didn't get shaken out yet, so congratulations to everybody that's still been in this with me. Let's get rid of the old lines. Okay, you guys see shorts attacked. Why? Because they see it couldn't get above the same resistance. So let's see if they can get squeezed right now. That's why I said, you guys, the thing we want, we're not sure yet, but what's the number one thing I always tell you guys is say before you get in any trade, I could be wrong. I could be wrong before any trade. Let's see if any buyers decide to come and hold this up or not. Always look at different time frames, you guys. It's always better just to look at different time frames. It could possibly take some time, you guys. Got some construction going on outside, you guys. Let's see if VWAP holds right here. Volume not that good yet, you guys. Let's see what happens. We really need more size in demand right here. Not that much demand yet. Let's see. Looking for a bear trap right here. Like, we really want like a 2-try failure. What I mean by 2-try failure is, like, you guys see how they try. They come, they try to short this thing once right here. And then they try to come short this thing and break this again. Number 2, so that'll be number 1. Number 2, so they try once. They fail to break that. They try twice. They fail to break that. If that happens, that's what I'm looking for. Which other people see it like, you could see it as a double bottom or whatever you call it. You gotta see it from both sides though, you guys. So right now we're trying to see if that happens. That's what I'm really looking for. If not, let's see if they, because it's not holding the trend too well and I don't see too many buyers, so they could possibly still try to dump it here. But I'm thinking that it's going to be a possible bear trap right here, and they're going to break this really soon. And once they break this, you guys, once this breaks, hopefully soon, like, if momentum comes in, this thing can have a little room. Even if it doesn't happen today, it could happen tomorrow, you guys. Looking for a good pattern to buy. Something like that, possibly. A lot of people have been asking about my website, you guys. I got this guy working on it, and hopefully it should be ready in a couple weeks. I don't know. I think I was on mute for a few minutes, but so like I said, a lot of people have been asking about my website, and hopefully it should be ready in a few weeks. let's see if this trend holds, you guys. Like, it's not perfect, but it's really, like, I know it looks like it broke, but let's see if that trend holds. Or if it collapses, if they can take it back, possibly. That's the shorts target. I don't know if I was on mute or if you guys heard me, but what I'm looking for is a 2-try failure. You can see they tried once here to dump it, they failed. They tried twice here to dump it, they failed. We really need that bounce. But that's why I'm looking for volume to come in. We need good, strong volume, and we need a good times and sales. Clean it up a little bit. Yeah. Hope everybody can see that better. Still fighting. Zoom is definitely still fighting back and forth here. Right now, we still need some more buyers to step it up. We need a little more pressure from the buying side. Push these guys out of here, especially the 480s. We gotta get through the 480s really to go anywhere today. If we get through the 480s really good, you guys, with some decent volume, we do have room. Let's see. So far we have support where previous resistance broke, became new support right here. So then right so far it's holding right here with a little bit of higher lows. So it's kind of holding our trend. So the problem right now is we have this. So the thing is, the stock is still slowly being squeezed. We just need this to push above 480, so so the stock can be convincing to more traders, so we can get more buyers to jump in this thing. Really, a lot of traders are waiting for this thing to really break the 480 and possibly bring in some more volume. So let's see what happens, you guys. We got a decent little pattern, decent little wedge pattern. Let's see what happens to the times and sales. This is where you want to pay attention to the tape, you guys. Watch for size, speed, and color. We're looking for big size in the green, and we want it to speed up past really 480. You want to see some good purchases going through, really. Some big size, really, and you want to really see it in demand. You want to see people smacking the market. When I say smack the market, it means like buying the ask or just buying the market. That'll show you that people want it and they're willing to pay basically any price for it, and it's going off the ask. So like they're just paying for whatever I'm asking for, whatever the askers are selling, whatever the sellers are asking for it, they're basically paying. So that shows that the stock is still in demand. I could be wrong, you guys, but so far it's looking good. We got right here pre-market highs, we got here, we got here. So we really got like a big triple quadruple top. But remember what I always say, you guys, pain levels. So above here would be a lot of pain levels. Looks like we're approaching there soon, you guys. Watch the volume, times, speed, size, and color. Really need to break this pre-market high right here. Let's see if any pressure comes in. Every time it comes to 480, shorts are trying to keep it below that, you guys, because they know if it goes above that, there's this they might be in danger if that happens. So their whole goal is to keep it below that previous high right there, 480. Let's see what happens. Slowly, the stock to me looks like it's being squeezed. If you create like a hidden channel line, like if you want to start it early, which sometimes I do, like just possibly where the stock can go. Like right here, we could see possibly if it breaks that, we might have a hidden channel. So if it comes back and tests, we'll see what happens. You guys want to be like more reactive than predictive, really. Volume coming in, but not that strong. Could we get past this? This is like the mark in the sand, you guys. It's like a fight. They're trying to get it above this. Remember what I sometimes say in my previous video? Like, you don't want to be with this crowd trying to break it. You want to be like if you want to get in, you don't want to be in like the crowd trying to break this, because this is a tough line to break, you guys. They need a lot more volume to break that. So you actually want to wait until they break it. I use this example, like if this is a door right here, let me get the pen. Like let's just say if this is a door right here, you want to make sure they open the door and then the door closes behind you. So basically you want the thing to go boom, come back and test, make sure the door is closed, and then you want to buy it. Like if you ever want to like buy a breakout, you guys do your own due diligence. But that's like avoiding fake outs, like, right? Some people buy like a little bit here, a little bit anticipate the breakout, a little when if it holds. It just depends on different strategies, you guys. But my way is like just kind of safe. Nothing's really too safe in the market, but a little safer than just blindly buying breakouts, you guys. Like if it gets above below this line, this is a pain level for a lot of longs. So a lot of longs are probably saying, day traders or whatever, saying, okay, if it breaks this trend, I'm gonna take my profits. So some of them probably have their stop losses here. So we might see a candle do this, you know, like break and dump. Like if that happens, you guys. Remember, everything. There's always a if. If this happens, I'll do this. If that happens, this will happen. If this, like that's like really trading for you. Like I said, like there's a few different patterns. Like if you guys could see right here, the more patterns, like the better, you guys. Especially like you want bullish patterns. It doesn't mean it's gonna be right, but better in the long run, right? You guys could see like a flag pattern, and then you guys got, then we got like a wedge pattern, right? Then we got a hidden channel. So really the whole goal, the problem is right now is this, you guys. So we're waiting for them to break this if that happens. And if that happens, so we're gonna see buyers come buy that dip if that holds. And if it double holds, that'll be a even better buy. So let's see what happens, you guys. Remember what I always say, do your own due diligence. But let's see what happens. Check on the market really fast. Market's in the red, you guys. Market's starting to dump, so it could be a little systematic risk. So even if it doesn't happen today, you guys, I'm still in it till tomorrow. With the market dumping and Zoom still holding like that, it's pretty good. Three out of 4 stocks follow the market, you guys. This thing could dump. Testing our little trend right now. This is the 9 EMA, you guys. Gotta get above that also. A little pressure, but not that much size. Need more size. Look at the volume still. Still kind of weak on the volume. Stock is slowly still being squeezed. You guys always want to have the like at least 3 different time frames on your screens, you guys. I know most of my students and subs know, but if you're new to my channel or new to trading, always use multiple time frames. I think they call it the 3-screen tri-screen analysis format. I just use the 5-minute, the 3-minute, usually the daily, but you always want to look at multiple time frames. Here's another top, you guys. So that's a sign of weakness, this candle right here. We really got to get above that. Let's see if they do it. Let's see if they get above that yellow line, you guys. Need to get above here. Actually, 480 from earlier would be better. Look how they're eating that candle right now. They're trying to dump it. Hopefully it's a fake out bear trap. Looks like it's gonna possibly dump. I I tell people, like, I'm not like a professional yet, but I'm pretty sure Zoom's gonna be at 500 pretty soon. Do your own due diligence. That's just my opinion. My target is 500, you guys. That's just my like first target. Hopefully it gets past that. But yeah, we'll see. I believe it's gonna be a touch 5 soon. Possibly this week, if not tomorrow, like this week. Need a little help from the market would be great. Hopefully that little dip traps some more shorts in there. Sometimes like when I used to get shorts, a lot of new shorts, you guys, or a lot of early shorts will try to come short this and then basically get trapped, and then now there's even more shorts in here, so there'll be more pain right here on the way up if the buy's pushing back up again. So watch what these guys do. It's like too much to the right. Still low volume, you guys. Still low on the volume. That's like the missing piece to our puzzle right now. Volume in our favor too. We want volume in our favor. What I really mean by that, you want to see green volume. You want to see green volume candle bars, and you want to see them start really getting past here. You want like more than 1 million, at least in a candle. Something like this would be okay right now. Like something would come in like a 500,000 in a candle would be okay because the volume's not that strong today. But for today, like we really need to get like 500, 400. We need to get above here. Hopefully if it gets above here, it'll attract that. It'll start popping up on people's scanners. It'll start becoming bullish, more bullish. It'll attract more buyers. More shorts will start covering. That's me being on the positive side. If none of that happens, you guys, nothing will happen. It'll just keep staying. As long as it stays below this today, below 480, it could stay playing like here and here, or it can possibly go back down and test support again. So let's see if it stays above here. To me, it looks like it's still squeezing. It's still possibly squeezing. Like the stock looks like it's still being squeezed. But they're really trying to keep it below. But let's see what happens, you guys. Looks like we're getting some size to come in, you guys. Looks like a little size is coming in. Remember what I told you, those shorts that just came in right now? They're really close. They're really close to being in pain. Some of them were in pain. You guys seen there's some big size. There's some guys still trying to short this, you guys. So be careful. We don't have that. We don't have too much on the S so far, so that's good. Remember I said the key thing we're missing is a little more volume, so let's see. Just want to make sure, because sometimes news will pop up in the middle of the day. Just want to make sure nothing popped up, because I seen that size come in. Let's get rid of these lines, you guys, so we can get a clearer picture for now. We'll bring them back if we have to. No, not that. There we go. Still a consolidation, you guys. If this thing stays above VWAP the whole lunchtime, you guys, that's the only way like you would hold you would see buyers come in the afternoon and a possible squeeze. This thing goes below VWAP today, it's probably and stays there, possibly could start downtrending really soon. But if this thing holds VWAP throughout launch, that'll be a bullish sign also. Zoom it up a little bit. Still getting all these tops right here, you guys. Here. All these tops. So we gotta get past through all this. Stock is still slowly being squeezed, ladies and gentlemen. Stock is still slowly being squeezed. We're $3 away, you guys. $2 away from the squeeze, hopefully. Shorts have their finger on the trigger, hopefully, to buy. Hopefully not to sell, Mark. We'll see what they decide to do right here. Watch the buyers. It looks like we have a hidden buyer right here at 478, you guys. Possibly. Let's see. Right now it's still playing under our longer term resistance, you guys. Just touched it again, you guys. This is how critical technical analysis sometimes, you guys. Technical analysis is basically collective psychology. Well, the majority of people, you can see what they're thinking basically on the screen, you guys. And you can match up with the times and sales and the level 2 and the candles, and you can see exactly what they're doing almost. Like not to a T, but you can kind of see what the majority is doing, which is the important. It's easier to predict, like we don't want to be too predictable, but it's easier to predict collective psychology, like the majority, like 70-80% of people, than just one or two, like one person psychology. So you can recognize that another top right here, and they're gonna try to eat this up again, you guys. Let's see if VWAP holds it up or if support holds right here. They're gonna try to dump it again. Could attract more shorts, you guys. There's that guy again, you guys, with the hidden size right here. You can see him jumping all over the place too. Let's see if he's up, if they're just bluffing. Okay. Size is still a little weak. Excuse me. Still holding our support, still holding our trend, you guys. Yeah, you want to be flexible with this because this could change. This can change all the time, every few minutes, you guys. Most indicators are lagging, right? So you gotta keep up with it. You guys kind of see how this is forming. It's still being squeezed. You guys kind of see if you put this and this together, could be a hidden channel. You guys see the resistance right here. You guys see all these tops right here. You guys could see possibly a head and shoulders forming. Like there's a lot of patterns. The good thing about this thing is there are a lot of short sellers trying to take this thing down right now. So like I say, you guys, if we get above here, then it'll possibly can take off. If not, then no. But we have to get above the whole 480 area. We gotta get above there, you guys. Let's see. Every time these longs try to take it there, short sellers keep pushing it down, keep stuffing them, you guys. Looks like stock is still slowly being squeezed though. They keep trying. There's a lot of big holders, you guys, a lot of big institutions in Zoom. So when stuff like this happens, like they take that opportunity to add a lot of times. So you can see a lot of buyers came in also right here. There we go, you guys. Need some bigger size. Starting to see a little bigger size. Stock looks like the squeeze is coming, you guys. Squeeze is coming. Squeeze is coming. Make it a little bigger, you guys. Let's see if they try to keep it below it. Watch his eyes. Look at this guy. Look at that guy, you guys. They're definitely trying. Short sellers are definitely trying to keep it below that resistance. Come on, buyers. Step it up a notch. Here we go, guys. Stepping it up on the bid, you guys. 479 pretty soon. 479 on the way. There we go. 479. 480 coming up, should be coming up in the next 1 minute, you guys. 480 should be coming up in the next 1 minute. Our vol is changing. Relative volume is changing, you guys. Speed, you guys see the speed? How the speed became a little faster. The size and color are still not too good. Let's see what the next candle decides to do, you guys. Here comes the squeeze. 480, hopefully the next candle. There's going to be short sellers waiting, sitting right there, you guys. Let's see if these buyers could push them through. There's that guy with the hidden sides. You guys see him playing? There you go. Watch that guy. If it cracks this, and it could, you guys most likely are gonna see a big candle. You're gonna see a lot of shorts start covering right here. Let's see the size on it. There we go. 480 coming. Let's see how many sellers. Watch the sell. Watch the ask, you guys. Let's see if there's no wall. If it skips right through 480, that's a good sign for us. There we go. 479.60. They're trying. Here we go, testing 480. Okay, we had a little size there. Let's see what happens. These guys are still trying to take it back. Watch the bidders, you guys. See, they're still trying to take it back. Take it up. There we go. Here, test the 480. Can we get new highs? Can we get new highs? Well, you guys want to see a white bubble move right here. You want to see this white bubble? Come right here. Shorts are attacking that 480, you guys. Be patient, bro. Be patient, Manuel. Don't let them fake you out, man. Just stick to your plan. Whatever your plan is, just stick to it. As the stock is still slowly being squeezed, so stick to your plan. Just relax and be patient, and then stick to the plan. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Always. That's why we have the plan. So you can relax. You don't have to worry about it. The plan tells you everything to do. Right now, here we go, you guys. We need to take out this 480 high. There we go. There we go. What happened to the volume, you guys? 481, 482, new high. 482's new high. Did you guys see how you can, I don't want to say predict, but kind of see where the stock is going and where they're trying to take it, and where you could kind of say it's predicting, but you can kind of recognize the short squeeze on the way. Here we go, a new high, you guys. Remember that bubble? Remember the bubble, you guys? Look at volume. Look at our volume. Remember where we put our volume lines? Speed, size, and color. Volume's looking good. Candle's looking good. Remember that pattern I drew earlier? You still want the candle, so you want the door to close above that. So yeah, you guys, hopefully this thing squeezes. Right now, we still have all day. So let's see where they decide to take it to. Anybody has any questions, leave in the comments, you guys. Still giving away free sessions. mytradecoach23@gmail.com for now. Website on the way, mytradecoach.com. Remember the motto, you guys. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Smack that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.